I fucked around, got my heart broke. Yeah, I fucked around, got some blue nose. Yeah, I fucked it up when I threw those. Yeah, blue honey, throw me through those. Yeah, I'm in love with the cat now. I'm in love with the cat now. I'm in love with the cat now. Kids, yeah.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Wait a second. Hey guys, it's Sierra, and today we're gonna be doing a prom look. I'm starting off with the Maybelline concealer, and I'm putting that all over my lid. This is in the color Honey, and I'm taking my Airspun loose powder and setting that. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance contour kit and put that in my transition area for our transition color. Then I'm going to take this darker brown, and I got this palette off of wish.com, and I didn't even know it was this freaking tiny, but I'm basically just going in with darker colors. So this is now black, and I'm just blending that out. I'm going to take my concealer again, and I'm going to cut my crease after this and also set that. And I'm going to be placing some freaking glitters on my lid. So the glitter is going to go everywhere that I put the concealer at. And don't forget to set it. The glue that I'm using is the Duo Lash Glue. I use lash glue to apply my glitter. You can use glitter glue if you want, but I didn't have any. So we're going to go with what we got. And I'm just doing the same thing on both eyes. This is Milk and Magnesia, you guys. I put this on before I put on my foundation. It helps with oiliness. I can say that it really does work. This isn't my first time trying it, but I'm using my Maybelline foundation, and this is in the color Coconut. And I just love this foundation. I love the color of this foundation. Like, it makes me look so, I don't even know how to explain it, but now I'm highlighting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this color is Cool Tan. And I just apply that under my eye and on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline concealer, and I'm putting that on top of it just to give it a little oomph for real, a little And then we're going to blend that out with our Real Techniques sponge. Just like that. Ow, ow. I'm setting my face with the Airspun powder again. And then I'm going to contour with this, I'm using a Studio palette to contour. I'll show you guys later. He walking in my video, like, what are you doing? But yeah, this is the Profusion Studio Contour palette, and I'm using this darker shade. The first shade that I used was the Black Radiance Contour palette. This highlighter is from Wet n Wild. I'm not sure what color it is. I completely forgot what color it is, but I'll put it in the description box below when I figure out, you know, what color it is. And then I'm taking this e.l.f. blush, and I'm just put it in the wrong one. I'm taking this e.l.f. blush, and I'm just putting that on my cheeks. I almost forgot, actually. That's why I'm doing it after. Usually I do it before I highlight. I'm spraying my face with my Mario Badescu spray, and this stuff is so good. And then I'm going in and adding more highlight, because it's no such thing as a little bit of highlight. Like, I'm gonna line my waterline, and I'm taking the NYX gel liner to do that. And then I'm putting, I think I'll use a brown. I'm using the brown and the black out of that palette to put down there. And then I'm taking this mascara and putting it on too. And then I'm lining my lips with this brown lip liner, because I love the brown lip liner. And I'm going in with the red lippy. And this is the freaking prom look. And you ready to slay prom, girl. And it's going to be so fun. Okay, you guys, so I'm coming on here because I didn't get to record a freaking intro for this makeup look like I wanted to. My freaking memory card ran out of space from me recording so many videos, but I guess that's a plus, because at least I got some popping videos coming.
But yeah, this is my prom look. I did record a hair tutorial also, so I'll link that in the description box whenever the video is up. But I know for a fact that the makeup look will be up first, so this video will be up first. Yeah, it's just glitter and red lip, nice for prom. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, because I have many more prom looks coming. I know prom is coming up. Prom season is my absolute favorite, and I'm so excited. So, yeah, I'm not going to prom. I've been out of school for some years now, but, yeah, prom season is still my favorite. Yeah, that's all I have to say for real. I just wanted to record this because I didn't get to record a poppin' intro, and I'm so sad because I know I love the intros. I love them. But we just gonna have to do what we can do. The video is still good quality, and yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because I always seem to ramble on when I start doing this. But y'all enjoy the video. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Deuces.